Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to do Sushi Moriawase. And Sushi Moriawase is a sushi set. So we're gonna do nigiris and we do makis. But the first thing, we're gonna cut the salmon what we prepared in the previous episode. So we're taking the salmon fillet and we're gonna do the V-cut. And the V-cut is exactly that. We're gonna position the knife in that way that the knife and the long muzzle for the fish is making actually the V form. And we're gonna cut our slices between like 4 to 5 millimeters thick. So that's gonna be for the nigiri. So we're making the first cut, and this piece we're gonna save it with the belly to the makis, or to do some Hawaiian poke or something like that. And remember, just one cut. We're starting for the end of the knife and we're slicing and we're gonna end in from the front, and you're getting really beautiful nigiri piece. So we're starting the process again. So to get the perfect cut for your salmon, you need to have really sharp knife. Otherwise you're gonna destroy the salmon to do the nigiris or the sashimi. So that's gonna be the last one. And this piece is a bit more thicker, have all the end of the tendons for the neck, for the salmon. So we're gonna save it to do our type of dishes. So now we're gonna, with the knife, take our salmon slices. Look how beautiful. And we're gonna put it in this bowl. And we are ready. So we have here our rice, what we have to do in the previous chapter, and we have the salmon, what we just cut, and we're gonna start to do our nigiris. So we're gonna take our nigiri slice in these 3 middle fingers, and we're gonna take our rice, and we're gonna do around 15 to 16 grams rice ball, and we put it in over the salmon slice. We make a small pressure in the center, so we're gonna create the air cabin inside. We're gonna turn the salmon, we're gonna make the form, gonna press a little bit, gonna turn in, and it's ready. So this process, we're gonna do it 6 times. You take the rice, press, you turn, make here the first press, second, third, 4, 5, 6, and so we're gonna continue with our set. We're gonna have now salmon nigiris, but we're gonna start to placing in place. And we have in here different type of fishes for the sushi. We have a maguro, we have a suzuki fish, we have a hotate, and we have a ebi. So tuna, seabass, scallops, and prawns. And we're gonna do with these the same process that we have to do with the salmon. So let's start.